What is the area of the following figures drawn on the square sheet? Each square has side 1 centimeter. One has been done for you. Hint: two half squares make a whole square. Two halves makes whole square. Now this triangle has 8 square centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two halves 7. These two halves 8. So total is 8 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4 square centimeter. This square 4 square centimeter. These two halves 1, 1. 2 square centimeters. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 9 square centimeters. Next this also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square centimeters. This is also 4 square centimeters. This is 10 square centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 square centimeters. Children, you should write neatly. Is the area of the square equal to the area of triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fun with rectangles. Divide rectangles into triangles and rectangles of equal area. And do not forget to see how your friends have divided their rectangles. Divide these rectangles into two smaller rectangles of equal area. Children, you should do equal rectangle. I will cut first rectangle just like this. Then this is A rectangle. Next this is B rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square centimeter. Both are same area. As well as I will cut this rectangle horizontally. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Next this C rectangle, D rectangle. Two are same area. What is the area of the smaller rectangles? 6 square centimeters. Divide these rectangles into two triangles with equal area. Triangles. Triangles means just like this. First triangle this, second triangle. In this place, two triangles, first one, second one. This is in this place also, first, second. What is the area of the triangles? What is the area of the triangle? I will give the number 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the area of triangles? 1 and 2 have 1 square centimeters. 1 square centimeters area. Next, 3 and 4. 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 have 3 square centimeters. 3 square centimeters area. Next, 5 and 6 rectangles have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So half of the 12 is 6 square centimeter area. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, divide these rectangles into 4 triangles with equal area. Children, divide these rectangles, squares, divide into 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I will cut these rectangle 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the area of triangles? What is the area of triangles? 2 square centimeters. 1. These 2 of total is 1. So total is 2 square centimeters. These 8 triangles have same area. Total are all are 2 square centimeters. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All are have same area. Fun with triangles. Madhu has divided the rectangle given below into 2 triangles. Both the triangles look different. Let's find out if their area is different. Children, in this picture we have red color triangle, green color triangle. The red triangle is half of the big triangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20. Total, the rectangle area is 20 square centimeters. So the area of the red rectangle is half of the 20 is 10 square centimeters. The green triangle contains half of one square and one rectangle. Now you find the area of the square and rectangle and then the area of triangle. What is the area of the green triangle? Now we should count the green color triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 half is 8. This place is 8 square centimeter. 8 after these two 9, these two 10. So green color triangle also have 10 square centimeters. Both the triangles look different. Red and green triangles look differently, but the area of two rectangles are 10, 10. The area of two squares have two triangles have same area, that is 10 square centimeters. Complete the shape according to its area. Shreya drew two sides of a shape. She asked Ravi to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 8 centimeter. Children, complete this shape. Okay. We should have 8 square centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two of 5, these two of 6, these two of 7, these two of 5. So total is 8 square centimeter. Children, write neatly.